Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to design email in Squarespace 7.1 email campaigns. This is a fantastic way to create professional-looking email newsletters and promotional campaigns directly through your Squarespace account, giving you complete control over both design and distribution. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and manage your various Squarespace projects. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to design your email campaign. This ensures that your email will be properly connected to the right site and will carry over your brand's style and content seamlessly. Now on the left side menu, locate and click on Email Campaigns. This section is dedicated entirely to managing your email marketing efforts. Once you're in the email campaigns area, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Create. This action opens up the options for starting a new email campaign. You'll notice you have two options here, starting with a blank page or choosing from pre-designed templates. For this tutorial, we'll choose a template since it provides a solid foundation and speeds up the design process considerably. Browse through the available templates until you find one that matches your vision. Once you've selected a template, click on it and then click Use this template to proceed. Now you're in the editing interface where you can fully customize your email. On the right side of your screen, you'll find controls to adjust the email background, content background, and the fonts. These settings allow you to establish the overall look and feel of your message, ensuring it aligns with your brand identity. Next, click on the Style tab again, and then click on any element within the email itself. This is where the real customization happens. You can edit text content, change colors, adjust font sizes, and modify spacing. Each element can be tailored individually, giving you precise control over every aspect of your design. If you want to edit an image, simply click on the image and then click Replace if you want to swap it out for something else. On the right side panel, you'll have additional options to edit the image link, manage image settings, and adjust the image layout. These controls help ensure your visuals are properly sized and positioned within your email. When you click the Email tab, you can edit fundamental email settings. Here you can add a subject line, which is crucial for getting recipients to open your message. You can also set up an email preview, configure the to and from fields, and customize the footer. These elements are essential for professional email communication and compliance. And there you have it, you've successfully designed an email campaign in Squarespace 7.1. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.